I still got the streets, man. You know me.
Killing Chad, killing Chad, killing Chad, killing Chad, killing Chad.
Cuz,
what have you got doing?
Who the fuck are you talking about? I don't know that piece of shit.
Fucking amigo, see ya go. Fita like if for Bonaco. Mingo Wabaya, everybody's what I out. Macasa, black money makers say Hakasa. While it's in Mata, Mingo
About me?
Mingo.
I don't know that nigga. Who is he, man? Oh, you mean the upcoming artist, man? This nigga
Yeah, what upcoming?
wants to work with me,
What's
man.
the award?
Cause you don't know shit. That nigga should stick to wealthy, man. Man, who is this nigga, man? Hey, yo, man, cuz, who the fuck is Mingo, man?
Mingo, Sabazozi.
Cuz, I don't know this nigga, man. I'm better than this nigga, man.
Ndunga. Hey, la motho tsamaile mahatsa di award.
Oh, you mean the upcoming artist? Oh, I know this nigga, man.
What upcoming? Hey, la motho mo gaka wa betsa mo.
This nigga should quit music and stick to wealthy, man. He's a Zazorian. He should make some nice jacuzzis, man.
Mingo touch. Hey.
My shoes are better than your niggas' shoes, man. Niggas' shoes. Come on, cuz, stop telling me that shit, cuz. You're ruining my reputation, man. You want this nigga to disrespect me? You know how they respect me at Johannesburg, man? Nigga, how can you compare me with this nigga, man? He's been upcoming for a long time, man. I'm Raymond the Snake, man. I'm a real nigga, man. Come on, cuz, stop calling me those silly names, man.
Eish, man. Eish. Mona ba re ke upcoming.
Upcoming.
Eish,
Ka me a bona nna ntse o betsa, kwa e ba re upcoming.
Mna ke tla mona ha so re lempatlele phatlanyana mo comedy.
Upcoming comedian.
Hey, yo, man, cuz, this guy think comedy is a joke. Come on, man.
Upcoming comedian.
Tlhabane. Bogolo o tla e ntsha Tlhabane.
Tlhabane.